Good day, hustlers. It's your boy Betty at your man Markel Prines, MrRVADelivered.com. Now, I'm not going to give you the full intro because in this video right here, I want to get straight to the point. Now, I want to help you within the next couple of minutes learn exactly what you need to do in order to start earning a passive income from home, doing exactly what you love to do, and being able to have the time freedom along with the income freedom to do those things. Now, step one, simply all you have to do is click the link right below to join my private Facebook group where you'll get exclusive access to trainings and my most recommended tools for success to help you become as profitable as possible in as short a time as possible. Now, step two, all you have to do is click the other link below that, which is to join our list building training, which in that training, it'll teach you exactly what you need to do to become profitable. The two key things that any online marketer needs is traffic, and then they need to know how to convert that traffic into commissions. Now that training right there is only $47, and that will be your investment into yourself in order to start your journey to become a successful affiliate marketer. Now, the third step is this. Once you've done the first two steps, I want you to send me a direct message so that you can actually book a call with me, a free session, so that we can continue on the journey together and work on producing those 3, 4, 5, and even 6-figure income checks. Now, if you're ready to get started, click those links. I'll see you guys on the other side.